Hi friends, and welcome to another installment of Ms.Wolf Reads. I'm Miss Wolf, and I have my friend Rainbow Pony here to keep me company as I read the book When You Love a Dog. There are really beautiful dog footprints through the snow on the inside cover. And I have some tea to warm me up on this chilly San Francisco evening. I hope you're snuggled up warm and cozy. Let's get started. When You Love a Dog, written by M.H. Clark, illustrated by Tatsuro Kiuchi. When you love a dog, someone waits for you with a true and joyful heart. And everything is as it should be, just as soon as you walk through the door. It's time for ear scratches and belly rubs and rolling around on the floor. When you love a dog, the world is full of wonder, every walk and every morning, every single night. And the warm eyes looking up at you are full of love and light. Do you think this is a rhyming book? What do we think? You have a friend through all of it who's up for anything. Who looks forward, who can hardly wait, who wants what the world will bring. And that world is all today, and you, and you, and you. And this moment, right here, is a perfect one. It's one to hold on to. See the dog running around the tree? Beautiful illustrations. And there's silliness, and sincerity, and trouble, and play. Sometimes all together in the very same day. When you love a dog, you're loved in return for everything you are. Such a happy puppy. And the simplest things are the very best things. A head in your lap, a treat in your hand, a ride to the park in the car. See all the dogs playing at the park? And it's a comfort on the hard days to come home to this endless bright being, this big sloppy kiss. I'm sure we've all had days where it was really nice to come home to a pet. When you love a dog, you are understood. You are seen and you are heard. Without ever needing to ask, without ever saying a word. What's shared here is for always, a lifetime of moments and beautiful days. When you love a dog, someone waits for you. You're the only one they want to see. He's waiting so patiently. What a gift it is to come home to this. This love is here for me. They're curled up together. The end. It says, with special thanks to the entire Compendium family, which is the publishing company. We have the same great illustration of dog prints in the snow. When you love a dog. I really love that book because I have a dog and I have always loved having dogs. And they make the world such a fun and love-filled place. Make sure to take care of your pets and to give them extra rubs or scratches and snuggle time. Be patient with your animals and love them as much as you can. Appreciate them and give them all the love, and make sure not to give them too many treats, but treats are good too. And take them for a walk and see the world through their eyes. Be patient while they smell things and sniff things, and let them say hi to other pets at the park if you have a dog. It's so important to let them get out and spend time around others too, just like it's important for us. And it's such a rewarding experience to get to care for another creature in a loving way. Thanks for reading the book with me, friends. Bye.